Okay, hi Lenny. First thing is I want to say good job getting so much work caught up, all right? The second thing that I want to say is you have a few things that you have left to do, so I thought it might be easiest to make a video so that you can understand exactly what needs to happen because I know it can be hard when we're not in the same room. All right, so right now I'm looking at your human migration assignment, and you did a lot of it, but there are a couple things that are missing. So, first thing is I want us to look at the directions for the first read, okay? And notice that the directions are always going to be in red on these three reads assignments. So it says read the paragraph. Here's our first paragraph. Cool. When you finish the paragraph, highlight it and create a comment box. So let me show you how to do that just in case, or I'll show you in just a sec. And inside the comment box, type what you think is the gist of the paragraph. So remember, the gist is like, what's it mostly about? Doesn't have to be perfect main idea, but just to sort of help yourself remember, so that when we get to more formal writing or do have to write a formal summary, you already kind of remember, oh, this was the paragraph that talked about. Okay? So I would read a paragraph about 1.6 million years ago, dot, 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 dot. I finish this paragraph and I look at it and I'm going to highlight the whole paragraph. Hold on. There we go. There we go. Sorry, sometimes my screen recorder makes it different. So I highlight the whole paragraph. You see how I did that? Now I'm going to come up here to the top of my screen up here, and there's a place that says add comment. And I'm going to click that box. When I do that, this little box pops up on the side. And here is where you're going to type what you think the paragraph was mostly about. Now, the reason that you're doing that is, like I said, we're reading it multiple times. We're going to get into more formal writing. So we want to make sure that we know, like, where was that thing I was looking for? So that when you go looking for evidence in your writing, you have a better sense of where to find it. Okay? This is like a good skill for note taking and for getting at the big ideas of something that you read. So you're going to do that for the first paragraph. You're going to do it for the second paragraph right here, and you're going to do it for the third paragraph. Okay, so I'm going to get 3 of those comment boxes. Cool, let's see. And then you answered all these questions. Great work. All right, you did these CER responses, so you're good. Remember in the future, though, that these should be like 3 sentences on your answers, okay? Another thing you want to remember is capitalize the first letter in any sentence. But we're going to work on that. Don't worry about it for right now. I just figured since I'm doing a video, I might as well give you some quick feedback. All right? So make sure you get the gist of each of these 3 paragraphs in the top, and then human migration is done. You're good to go. I already looked at the evolution of humans, I think, and that one, by my memory, is also almost completely good to go. We've got one more thing that you need to finish, and this is a short one down here at the bottom. Okay? Because you finished all these sentences, sweet, sweet. But we have number 16. Number 16, which says, look back at the details from numbers 1 through 15 that you wrote down. What would you say is the main idea of this article? So what's this article about? What are they talking about and why are they talking about it, okay? So on this one, since it's just one question, I'm going to write a comment and I'll leave it in here. Don't forget to answer this too. All right? But you're like 99% done with this one, so good work there. All right? The close read on why study Greek mythology is the one that you're still having the hardest time with, okay? So for this one, oh, I'm realizing that I probably forgot to link the article. I will link that too. And so that's what's making it hard for you to complete this assignment. Okay, so let me show you what it is that's still missing. All right, great. Let's see. Shoot, I was seeing your edits earlier where I was able to see that you highlighted this, you highlighted that. Great, you've got these parts in there. Perfect. You still need to go on to the next sections. What did these myths do? why study Greek myths, and you're going to summarize one section of the article, okay? You can use your notes that you take from up here to help you write a summary of one section of that article, and that will take care of you, okay? But you need to make sure you do the other two sections. I'm going to move my little face box up here so that then I can go ahead and edit your assignment right now. I am going to add from Google Drive, let's see, why study. Well, I'm going to try to. Why study ancient. Oh, goodness, I can't spell. Greek myths. We're going to look in here. Dun da da. All right. There it is. There's our copy of the article. Okay? I'm going to attach that here. That goes with your close read assignment. I super apologize for getting that the first time. In any case, this is the assignment that you still have some work left to do, all right? But otherwise, you're looking good, kiddo. You are making up a lot of ground. I'm really glad to see it, okay? Definitely put a comment in, a private comment or something like that if you have any questions, because that comes straight to my email. All right, good luck.